Hi, good to see you this week. This video is airing the day before Valentine's Day, so I figured it would be a love fest of sorts. A love fest from me to you, and telling you how much I adore you and love you and thank you. And in return, I'd like to present to you some things that I'm loving lately, products that I adore, things that I'm using. And let me tell you, these run the gamut, from beauty to household things to quality of life products to mental products. You'll see what I'm saying. It covers everything. Some, most, all, probably new to you. So that's really, really cool. Let's get going with the first thing that I love. And I bet you can relate to this in such a big way. You probably have earbuds that you use either for your cell phone to talk to people or for exercise. Your kids have them. Everybody's got the AirPods hanging out. I don't know about you, but I just lost my pair of Bose on my recent trip to New York. They could be on a United flight somewhere, possibly traveling the world, or somebody could be enjoying them, which is the more likely scenario. Anyway, I was so frustrated because, as you know, they're pricey. The Bose are, the Apple AirPods, it's expensive and you can easily lose them when you're moving about. So I recently was looking on Amazon and just sort of searching wireless earbuds, and a whole bunch came up, and I started reading reviews and comparison shopping, and I came across these. These are by Anker Soundcore Life P2 true wireless earbuds with 4 microphones. They've got noise reduction, clear sound, 40 hours of playtime, and they come in this cute little case, and they look an awful lot like the AirPods, and they're black. And I'm so excited because I love black. I'm always wearing black when I exercise. And so you just pop them in and, oh, see, it's talking to me. It's trying to pair with my phone right now. It says battery high. That's good because they've been charging. At any rate, I used these the other day when I was walking to listen to my music, and the sound quality was awesome. And then I called my mom, because sometimes when I'm walking I talk to her, and I could hear her clearly, and it completely reduced the noise in the background of the cars and all of that. So I am happy to tell you that I found wireless earbuds for $59.99 that will definitely suit my needs, and it comes with all of those different squishy ear attachments so you can get it to fit the shape of your ear. But it's really exciting to find something that doesn't cost an arm and a leg, especially if you've lost them once or twice before. Okay, so next on my list is a reed diffuser. You know me and vanilla. Anything with vanilla is just magical in my opinion, but this combines two things. This is vanilla orchid and almond, and it's this fantastic reed diffuser. It looks like this. I have these all over the house, especially in areas where Oscar has raised his leg and maybe peed once or twice. Thank you, Oscar. So the smell is beautiful. I wish I could share with you how great it is, but it's so great that it's in my love list today. So these are everywhere. I find that it lasts a really long time. The smell is consistent. You know, sometimes these are frustrating. You buy them, they smell great, and then you walk away and you're thinking, where's my fragrance? Where are you? I just spent a lot of money for you and I don't smell you. Well, this you will. And this combination of vanilla orchid and almond I think is beautiful. It is the bomb, and it is $33.42. Most of these things I find on Amazon, by the way, where I pretty much find everything that I live by, except for maybe Sephora. Okay. The next thing that I'm loving is I was on a quest recently for the perfect pair of white kicks, but white sneakers to wear casually on the weekends. Let's say I want to wear jeans and sneakers, or maybe a skirt and a pair of sneakers. You know, white sneakers are all the rage. They're great if you're traveling, if you go to a city like New York or London or Paris or wherever, and you just want to have a cute outfit with sneakers. Well, I looked and I looked and I looked, and I was searching the trends and what's the cutest and what's the latest, and of course these popped up, and I just had to get them. Those of you who own these, you're winking and you're saying, yeah, babe, I know why you got them. Okay, these are the Adidas Original Women's Superstar Sneaker, white and black. I think they are so cute. And here's how they passed the test. The first time I wore them, my son looked at my feet and he goes, oh, he said, you've got the cool sneakers. All the girls, they like those. And I thought, wow, I am cool with my son for a day. That's huge. So anyway, you'll pass the cool test with your kids, and they're not crazy expensive. They're $79.95. I've seen a lot worse. So to me, that's really great. And they look super cute. Moving on to the next thing. As you know, I have to wear readers because I can't see when I'm reading, and I've featured a lot of different pairs on this channel. An issue that I have, and maybe you can relate, I have very thin skin on my nose, and so whenever I wear readers for a prolonged period of time, I get those really hard indentations in my nose, and it takes a while for them to pop back up. So I went searching for ultra lightweight reading glasses, and this is what I found. They're a little dirty, but I think you can tell. These are by Nooz, and it's spelled N-O-O-Z, and this model is called Alba. It's a reading glass, but it's a lightweight frame. It is ultra lightweight, 17 grams, but this, I barely feel this on my head. It is so feather light. So this is great. I mean, I can wear these at my computer. I can read a book for a really long time, and I take them off and I don't have those harsh indentations on my face. So I'm loving them. They come in a whole bunch of different colors. I figured red, why not? So cute. Anyway, the Nooz Alba 4490, which leads to the next thing that I'm really loving, because if I have my glasses on, I ought to be reading something, and I'm always reading. The book that I'm now into is this one. It's called The Courage to Be Disliked, the Japanese phenomenon that shows you how to change your life and achieve real happiness, by Ishiro Kishimi and Fumitake Koga. Discover why unhappiness is something you choose for yourself. Life is not a competition. Admitting fault is not defeat. What real freedom is, how to exist in the present, how you can be happy now, and so much more. And so it's written in a conversation between a philosopher and a youth. And so the youth asks these questions and the philosopher answers, and it covers this wide range of subjects. It's really a fascinating book. And I love philosophy, I love psychology, I love the whys and the hows behind things, thinking and behavior and all of that, which you see a little infusion of in this channel. So anyway, that's my current read, and between these and these, I'm really enjoying myself. Next up is my honey. So I discovered these shirts, these men's shirts by Treffort, T-R-E-F-F-O-R-T, Treffort, maybe that's how they say it, Treffort. Anyway, the cut on these, incredible. And my handsome husband, my hunk of a husband, has this great athletic figure. He works out all the time, and so I gravitated to the athletic cut shirts, and they're absolutely beautiful. And I have to tell you, whenever he's anywhere, people are always asking him, where'd you get the shirt? Where'd you get that shirt? That is so cool. That's awesome. The fit, blah, 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 blah. They're beautiful. And so I just got him a bunch for Valentine's Day. I save them for special occasions, birthday, Christmas, whatever. I've added to his collection. So they range anywhere from $165 to $225. So if you're looking for like that special something, that special gift for your guy, and you can choose between the slim fit and the original fit. And anyway, I think they're beautiful, they're unique, and he's gotten a lot of compliments on them, so I wanted to share that with you. Up next is, I am embarrassed to admit it, but I have callousy feet. There, I said it. So anywho, I came across this Care Me Rechargeable Callus Remover, and it's awesome. So you take it, you charge it, and then the little callus wheel spins. You spin me right round, baby, right round like a record, baby. Spins around, rub it on your feet. You'll see little, like sand is flying. Don't push too hard, you'll shut it off. Don't do it too long, you'll go too far, but it's great. So you can play footsies with your honey in bed and not be embarrassed, because, you know, my foot touches my husband and he's like, what is that? It's like, yeah, those are my athletic feet, you know, from heels to tennis shoes. What do you want? Anyway, I am remedying the problem. It's $19.99. I love it. The next thing that I love is something that I have at my office. It is the Nostalgia little refrigerator. It's retro. How cute is this? It looks like the old Thunderbird, that color. It's a 6-can personal cooling and heating refrigerator with a little carry handle. Like I said, it's at my office. I cool my drinks in there. It's adorable. You can write on it. You could heat something up because there's that cold hot switch in the back. It's such a fun little statement front fridge. And it's an awesome gift idea, by the way. If you're looking for something to gift to somebody, this I think is the ultimate. 46 bucks, so it's pretty reasonably priced. And again, the design to me is the winner all around in this. Just love it. Oh my gosh, we're nearing the end, but not there yet. So, you know, I'm always talking about self-tanning products. I've been using Isle of Paradise forever. I was out in my local drugstore, and so I walked by this one and I gave it a try. And it's Sally Hansen Airbrush Sun Gradual Tanning Lotion, medium to dark. And it has already that dark tint in it. So your hands will get dark really quick, but you can wash it off, but it does give you that instant color. Well, let me tell you, this is the bomb.com. It covered everything. And it had this weird sort of blurring effect. You know, sunspots faded, skin tone looked better. Everything looked better after I put this on, not to mention I was instantly darker, and then it processed over time, so the next day I was even darker. One application will last you 7 days. Okay, that's awesome. And then you can build upon this, so if you need 2 applications, you're trying to go even darker, you can. But I just found the coverage of this to be fantastic, and it's like that instant glow. You know, if you need to put something on for an evening, didn't streak, didn't rub. It says it covers freckles, veins, and imperfections. Okay, I'm for $8.95. $8.95. Hello, Sally Hansen. So thank you. I'm so glad I discovered this little gem in a bottle. And my last 2 things. I don't know about you, and I'm guessing you can say, yeah, me. My skin has been so dry this winter, and when I was up in New York recently, it like hit the gas pedal on dryness. Suddenly I'm flaking, and it's what is this? I'm so used to Houston humidity that I change climates and suddenly my skin is like, what? So a couple of things came to the rescue for me. Number one, the Naya 24 Resurfacing crystals. And this is basically an at-home but professional grade microdermabrasion. The crystals will help remove the excess dead skin, surface cells, all that stuff that causes dullness and flaking. It has a tiny little scoop, and you just scoop out your crystals, and they look like so. And what I love is that you mix this with whatever foaming or cream face cleanser you have. So this is an addition to what you're already using. You can use a little, you can use a lot, depending on how much microdermabrasion you want. But while you're cleansing your face, blend the 2 together, rub and scrub, wash it off. Your face is baby fine soft, super soft. You can immediately feel the difference. And then what I'm following it up with is the last product on my list, and that is this baby. This is Drunk Elephant F-Balm Electrolyte Waterfacial. It's a quenching and a strengthening overnight mask. And this is awesome also because this is something that you put on top of what you already use. So think of it as like a painted on mask for ultra hydration, and it settles on top of what you have, it penetrates into the skin, and you wake up in the morning and it is soft and supple. So between this exfoliation and then this overnight skincare with this hyper moisture going on, my skin did a quick turnaround. So I'm happy to share all of these things that I am so totally loving in the month of February, and happy to share right around this Valentine's Day. And I wish you a Valentine's Day full of love, full of everything that is meaningful to you, full of giving of yourself and expressing your love to those that are important to you. It's wonderful to receive things, but to me, the ultimate gift is giving that little bit of affection, or that little handwritten message, or that little something special said to somebody that you think and feel but maybe haven't expressed in a while. And if you have any other ideas for me in terms of video content, leave it all below. I read the comments and I love your suggestions. You guys inspire me always. Please continue to follow me on social media. The community is growing. It's exciting. Fun things are happening there. So if you don't follow me yet on Instagram, Facebook, please come and join the party over there. It's really exciting, and we have a good time. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, whoa, you are behind the 8 ball. Come on, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and that way you'll be notified when my videos come out. And again, I just love having you. I love, and that's it. I'm going to leave it at that. Be bold and be blessed, and I'll see you next Thursday at 1. Mwah.